Hi, it's Jamie at the Bead Gallery, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple pair of earrings, and they're going to look like this. So it involves a hoop. Whoa! I will assemble it because I just took it apart, and some chain, jump rings, and a charm and a crystal. So this is what we're going to be doing right now. And I'll show you how easy it is with just two tools. So first we start with the endless hoop, and then I have a jump ring that I'm going to first attach the charm to. And a piece of chain. So this chain is 10 links long. One thing you want to be sure of when you cut your chain is if you're putting it on, you don't want the charm to turn. And you have a side view of it, so let me show you what that means. So this is an even amount of chain. So when it hangs from the jump ring, it will face this way. So you want to be sure that your charm doesn't sit this way, but that it sits this way, okay? So on this crystal, it's a tip drill crystal, so I put a larger, thinner jump ring on here. I'll attach this chain onto the little piece. This one does not have a front and back as much, so it doesn't matter how many pieces of chain you have on this. So close that. Okay. And now I'll take one jump ring and I'll attach the charm chain and the crystal chain. So when the two pieces are next to each other, they'll be staggered without a dramatic space in between. And then I will close the jump ring nice and tight. And this is going to go onto the ear wire. We're going to put the crystal heart in the front of it all. And there we go. This is how you can make a super simple hoop earring with a crystal, a little crystal drop, and your charm of choice. Thanks for watching.